Hello. So, in today's channeled reading, we will seek some guidance from Goddess, because your twin flame path is, brings you into some revelation of some block, and that takes you to a place of self rejection and self abandonment and so much pain and suffering. But know that God is not bringing those things to you to make you feel that you are punished. The truth is, you are divine child, and you are absolutely blessed. Okay, so in this time also God is with you know in this time also God is with you absolutely. And you can see, through divine blessings, everybody recovers from their separation pain. And as you are here to read this channeled message, Goddess will guide you, whichever situation you may be at. This reading will guide you absolutely to the answer that you are seeking within. And know that all these messages are based on union consciousness. So that means the messages is going to help you how you can love yourself at the moment. The messages are not here to tell you that there is something wrong that is going to happen. No, but the messages are here to guide you. Even if there are thousand things those are not working with you, what is that one thing that will perfectly work for you at this moment? Okay, so the first card, if you can see, the first card is about the goddess Ain, and the card is talking about the adaptability. I will read the card first. When you have set intentions for how your life could be different, better, fuller, juicier, prosperous, creative, more meaningful. And in our case, it is like how it can be harmonious union. Adaptability is the power you will need to rely on. The old familiar you, the one who is used to your comfort zone, is now invited to dance in a uncharted territory. The questions to ask yourself as you step into the unknown are: who do I need to become in order to experience this life I desire? What in me needs to shift so I can welcome this amazing abundance? You may want to pull an extra card after your reading, as a message from another goddess may grant you further insight into the answer. So, we'll do that. Know that you have everything you need right now. You are aligned with the celestic shifter goddess Ain, who could move effortlessly between our world and the world of fairy. Her power of adaptability is sparkling within you. Magic is afoot. You know. So, what is it saying? If you read it from the harmonious union perspective, you can see, our twin flame always invite us to a new place, right? We are in the comfort zone of staying in the belief, or even we feel comfortable to stay in our fear rather than facing the fear and actually getting into that true state or true peaceful state with our twin flame, right? So this is what it is saying. You can be rest assured that you can adapt to what is coming up. That is actually very peaceful, right? Because when you get into a place where you are going to be with your true twin flame in harmonious union, in prosperity, who doesn't want it? But what is stopping you is, when going through this path, there are a lot of fear that is coming up to you for healing, right? And there itself you are holding yourself back, like I cannot face this fear. First thing it comes is like you don't accept that this is within you, right? So actually it's not you, that's your ego that is stopping you, because the ego always tries to stay in the comfort zone. The ego will never allow you to change, and your soul and your twin flame and God is always going to push you so that you get into that uncertain zone, right? You get into that uncertain zone and you can adapt through this process very naturally. So the moment you heal your first block and you come to the power of peace and love naturally, you will feel powerful, right? You can always start with with one block clearing. The moment you feel confident, like few days back I was so scared about this, and once you are healed, you feel so peaceful and so powerful, then you will naturally invite to see that next ball, like next block, and that will become very, you will become adaptive to this process. Okay, so it is absolutely okay. So I'll pull a supporting card as this card is suggesting, so that we can get into. And yes, I want to stress upon the point that where it is said once you get into that place, you will experience the magic. Yes, you will experience the magic when you heal. You will see miracles will become the part of your life. Like any time you heal, you will see miracles will happening to you. So the supporting card that I pulled is, wow, it's like goddess Gaia. Yes, you must be knowing, must be very familiar when you are on the path of awakening. It's like a goddess that represents earth, right? So what is the supporting card telling? It is telling being grounded, slowing down, and remaining present in your body is the message that the Greek goddess Gaia has for you right now. Perhaps you have spent too much time in your head lately and have not taken as good care of yourself as you would have liked. So get into a rhythm, make sure you get enough sleep, commit to spending more time in nature, and eat sustainably with conscious awareness. The earth, mother of life, invites you to pay attention to your body, for you are creature of the earth as well as the spirit. Beautiful, isn't it? So what is it exactly talking? When you are going through this change or releasing some beliefs, those are blocking your harmonious union, and those healing moments, those upheaval moments are, does feel like, you really don't want to go to that place. But once you adapt to this process, because there is no way out. If you hold back and try to stay in the comfort zone, you are actually choosing contrast. You are going to experience the life that you really don't desire, because the life that you truly desire is full of love, full of money, like you want to share that love that is there within your heart with the world. You want that truly, right? And you can absolutely do that very easily. It's a very easy process. And this is the supporting card. When you are experiencing that fear taking the power over you, it is absolutely okay to ground. It's absolutely okay to slow down, right? Like you, maybe you don't feel comfortable to do the block healing every week, so it is okay. You can, take a time that feels comfortable to you, and take care of yourself. The more you take care of yourself, get into the nature and care for yourself, that actually encourage you, you encourage yourself to do more healing. That's so rewarding. Like you did some healing and then you went out in the nature and you love yourself, ground yourself. There is that, because the nature doesn't want you to stay in the separation, because the nature is your mother, right? So they will always try to nurture you, always bring in the opportunity so that you love yourself. That you can feel that cool breeze, those the birds singing and all that beautiful things, right? That will invite you to a place within your heart that always wants to love you, always wants to tell you what a beautiful soul you are, right? What a beautiful soul you are. So just get into that space and love yourself. This is an amazing world, and your harmonious union is for you only. Thank you.